moving a little bit away from Cosmos, not too far though. There is going to be another amazing keynote waiting for you. Everyone here in the room, in Split, Croatia, or at home watching through all the various different channels that are live broadcasting Cosmoverse 2025 all across the world. Now, said that, we are going to listen right now to slightly of a more technical keynote. I'm actually really looking forward to this myself. We'll be speaking about engineering high-performance trading, really going from stack to speed. I'm very happy and indeed thrilled, being from Thrilled Labs, to welcome on stage Mr. Jeongho Yeo from B-Harvest. Please be very welcomed on stage. Please put your hands together. Yeah, wonderful. Feel free to clap. Thank you, everyone, for participating. Mr. Ho,
thank you.
Please be very welcome.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for being here.
Thank you. Yeah, it's very excited to be here in Cosmoverse. It's been 3 years for my last Cosmos in Medellin, in Colombia. And I'm Jeongho from B-Harvest. I'm doing a research and development partnership. So today, we are introducing what we are recently obsessing with, especially for high-performance trading and DeFi platform by using Cosmos Stack. Actually, I'm very happy to provide the evidence that Meg and Nico and Barry said that Cosmos has the best stack. So we can show that proof of that sentence. So by using Cosmos Stack, so how we get from Cosmos Stack to speed by engineering and optimization, especially for high-performance trading and on-chain order book and DeFi platform. So, and also I will focus on what B-Harvest is doing in this industry in the later slide. So let's see this. Actually, this is a fully on-chain order book by using Cosmos Stack. This is high-frequency perpetual and spot order book DEX on Cosmos. Actually, this video is not manipulated. This is a live demo for our technical stack by using Cosmos SDK and Cosmos EVM. And actually, this is not a future one. And this is possible today. And also, this is possible on Cosmos. And now, so we all hear about the Cosmos Stack today in Cosmoverse. So we have a little bit misconception for Cosmos Stack so far. Cosmos might be slow, and Cosmos is all stack. But we here at Cosmoverse, we knew that this technology stack is very massive adoption so far for more than 200 chains. So first one is CometBFT, which is the most battle-tested consensus algorithm. And next one is Cosmos SDK, which provides modularity and massive production load for more than 200 chains. And next one is Cosmos EVM, which provides seamless EVM compatibility across entire ecosystem and stack. Actually, we are very honored to work with Interchain Labs here, Blood and Barry and Nico, to improve this Cosmos EVM and the other Cosmos stack with other teams like Mantra and Kronos as well. And we are very excited to be here to contribute this one. And these tools are already here. The potential is infinite. But we can think what is the real bottleneck is for the teams who want to build their own layer 1 chains. Because these days, as Cosmos expected, every team wants their own layer 1 chains, not only for contract. And the real bottleneck is not from the technology itself. Cosmos Stack already has a good technology, but real bottleneck is the mastering that Cosmos Stack, which is from some resources and developers and infrastructure. And let's imagine that build a high-performance chains and decentralized trading and DeFi platform. Actually, we need first to mastering the mechanics of low latency trading architectures for on-chain order book and RPC and Oracle. And then we need to optimize the protocol level engineerings from consensus P2P, mempool, and execution layer as well. Next one is that we need to understand the complicated DeFi mechanisms from lending and spot, perp, and also from the very complicated DeFi lending protocol. And next one is the 24/7 enterprise-grade operations from validator and infrastructure, including RPC indexers, Oracle. And you need rock-solid production reliability to maintain the whole chains and infrastructure without any losing uptime. In order to have these all enterprise-grade technology and operations, finding a single great team for development, that is the real bottleneck. It's very difficult to set up the team, development team, mastering this Cosmos stack. So this is we call the app chain paradox. So you see that Cosmos was right. So this era of the app chain that was expected 3 years ago, 5 years ago in Cosmos, that Cosmos was dreaming of. It's here. Every project now wants to build their own chain, but this has created some massive expectations of the developers and infrastructure builders. So if we expect every single project wants to build their own chain, if they have their own world-class researchers and developers, what happened in reality? The game has changed now. The era of building a blockchain just to be high speed is over. So you can think that a long time ago we call high speed internet, but nowadays nobody called it high speed internet. We just call it internet because the high speed should be the default for the internet. It's the same as the blockchain now. So far we call the high performance blockchain. So from now on, there's no high performance blockchain because blockchain should be high performance in the future. So because of this default setup, the high performance, so this high performance concept could not be the key differentiator for some specific blockchain project. Just to be clear, then this high performance is becoming a default. Then what is the matters for the projects? Then rather than the high performance and research and development itself, then go-to-market strategy and business could be more important for the projects. The key differentiator from go-to-market should be there. And next one, the bottleneck for that teams who want to build the chains, it's that because of more than 200 projects, more and more projects want to build their own chain, then talents for developers and builders are fragmented. And because of that, if the projects focus on the tech itself for high performance or reliability infrastructure, then it brings some opportunity cost to lose their focus on business and go-to-market strategy. So in order not to lose this opportunity cost, so we think our role in this ecosystem, our solution is kind of the blockchain foundry. This concept is very simple. Let visionary teams focus on their own business and focus on their own product itself for better go-to-market strategy. And then let us, dedicated foundry like us, handle the deep, complex, and specialized engineering for them, including DeFi and trading platform, and also high-speed, high-performance infrastructure. And so we are at the foundry for high-performance trading ecosystem, so we are now aiming for. So I can introduce our engine, so vertical integrated stack for this DeFi primitive built on 4 pillars that deliver performance and reliability for high-speed trading. First, trading and DeFi applications. We build scalable, fully on-chain order book engines and capital-efficient DeFi suite, including lending and spot and other perps. And second one is a deep tech research. We are not just use the Cosmos stack itself, so we are researching the reason and background and foundations of Cosmos stack from consensus, P2P, mempool, and to execution layer. So we have and work on protocol level performance with other teams like Cosmos Labs and Optimum to optimize and collaborate for core blockchain modules. And third one is our main focus is infrastructure here. So this is our foundation these days. Enterprise-grade validator and RPC services, all powered by over 8 years of our operational experience in Cosmos ecosystem. And the last one is security and auditing for internal development. We provide AI-powered vulnerability analysis and continuous private audits and monitoring to keep the asset very safe for enterprise-grade blockchain. And beyond these 4 pillars of our tech engines, I want to double-click on infrastructure side because this is where the stack truly becomes speed. And first one is that we provide very high-performance RPC. So in order to have this high-performance RPC, so we need to understand and modify and customize the core itself. So this RPC is very important to user and the applications. Even though the chain itself is very high speed and very fast, if the RPC is slow, then users feel slow for that applications. So nowadays, we are researching on optimum-powered network configurations for ultra-low latency. It's very interesting and exciting to work with the great WordPress teams like Optimum team. And next one is we integrate robust oracles. These days, many stock and equity comes to their own chain by tokenization, as Cosmos Labs introduced. Stock and equity comes to on-chain and then traded. Then in that case, we need to consider the oracle for the equity and stock. In this area, we need very careful design with understanding the trade fine. And next one, we build a risk management directly into the infrastructure. Circuit breaker, for example, circuit breaker, and sophisticated margin control, and market health monitoring to manage this risk. The last one is real-time monitoring. This is just on dashboard, including dashboard is kind of smart data streaming and system for abnormality detection, and all-in-one monitoring solution for robust and 24/7 operations. This is to provide enterprise-grade operations for reliability. And this is just a theory on what we have been doing. This is our daily work in production level. So we are incredibly proud of work together with WordPress team leading this industry from core research and development like Stable and Cosmos Labs, Babylon and Optimum, and to the infrastructure level and institutional DeFi, Paxos, PIT, and other great teams for providing this high-speed reliability infrastructure. So I want to leave you with one final thought for us. This app chain paradox is real, and Cosmos Stack has best tech. But this bottleneck not from the tech itself, slowing down the layer 1 project teams. But it is solvable from the great teams in the Cosmos ecosystem, like us and like Cosmos Labs, and like other teams. Stop trying to be WordPress development teams for your product. So I think you can focus on your vision and business, and focus on your users. Let us be your foundry, and let's build the future together by using this Cosmos set together. Thank you very much. Have a great time in this Cosmoverse this week. Thank you.